Hello children, good evening. This is your English class. In today's class, we have to see unit number 8, Prose, the Mumbai musicians. Okay, in that we have to see bookwork. Okay, come to the page 132 children. Reading is fun. Here some questions are given. We have to see now. The first question is, why did the farmer tell Gupu to see the world? Right? Here your answer is, the farmer tell Gupu to see the world as he was very tired and old. Okay. Before you get too old, you have to see the world. Okay, that is the answer for this question, children. And come to the question number 2. Why did Gupu, Dupu and Furry want to go to Mumbai? You already know the answer, right? Gupu, Dupu and Furry wanted to go to Mumbai to be a musician, right? Musician. Here you have to write the answer, right? The third question is, why did the people in the house run away? You know the answer, children, right? People in the house run away as they thought ghost had come to scare them. Ghost had come to scare them. Okay, children. Then next, come to the next one. Let's talk. Let's talk. If you were to join the animal band, which animal would you want to be? Here you have to imagine which animal you want to be and you have to make that sound. If you are lion means you have to give roaring sound. If you are dog means you have to give barking sound. Okay. Create the sound of the animal. Get together with your friends as a group. Create the sound of the animal each one of you wants to be. Here you have to make one group and each one of them take one animal and give that sound. Okay, and you have to do it and enjoy. Okay, children. The next one is, the donkey saw a ball of fur and it was a cat, right? If you were to see a big ball of fur, what could that be? You have to imagine and write your answer here. Okay, children. Then come to the next page. Let's short out these words. Pick up the words from the bags and put them on the right shelf. One has been done for you. Say the words aloud. Okay, here two bags are given, children. These two bags full of words, right? You have to short out the words and put the right shelf. Okay, children. The first shelf is short E words. Short E words means here the letter is E, but instead of E sound, we can get some other sound. That is called as short E words. Okay. One example is given, right? See the example, leg. In that, instead of E sound, we can get A sound, right? So, it is a short E words. Likewise, you have to choose short E words from these two bags, right? We have to see the words, children. See here, leg is a short E word, and here nest also short E word, and then bell also short E words, and then last one is well. This is also a short E words. Okay, you have to write here nest, 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 and then BELL, bell, and then WELL, well, right, children? And then see the second shelf, children, short I words. This is also same like that. Instead of I sound, we can get some other sound. That is short I words. Okay. Here one example is given, pick. In this, instead of I sound, we can get E sound, right? So it is a short I words. Likewise, you have to choose the words from the bags. Okay. Here pick, and then fish, and then lip, and then hill. These all words we can get, instead of I sound we can get E sound. Okay, so write in this shelf. Pick already given, and then lip, 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 and then FISH, SH, fish. And the next word is hill, HILL, hill. Okay, children. And the next one is long E words. Long E words means if we get the original sound of a E, that is a long I words. Okay, here one example is given. See the example. Deep. In that we can get original E sound, right? So it is a long E words. Likewise, you have to select words from the backs, right? Deep, tree, seed, and then street. These are a original E sound we get. So it is a long E words, right? So you have to write in this shelf. Deep already given. Next one is tree. And the next one is street. E-E-T, street. And the next one is seed. E-E-D, seed. Okay, children? Got it? Then next one is last shelf is long I words. Long I words means we can get original sound of I, right? Here see the example, children. Smile. In that we have to get original I sound, right? So it is a long I words. You can select the words from the backs, okay? Smile, dice, line, and then kite. These all are long I words. You have to write in the last shelf. Smile, and then dice, and then kite, and then line. Okay, likewise you have to fill this page and come to the next page, children. Let's write. Do you play any musical instruments? If your answer is yes, means you have to write the instrument here. I played, and then you have to write your answer, what instruments you had to play. Okay, here you have to write. And the next one is if no, if your answer is no to the no for the first question, which instrument do you want to learn? I would like to learn. If any instrument, you have to write your answer. Okay, if my answer is guitar, likewise you have to write your answer here. Okay, and come to the next one. Add the word of the opposite gender in the given sentence. Here some words are given. In that you have to find out the opposite gender and you have to write your answer here. For mother, the opposite gender is father. You have to write here. Read the question fully and then write the answer. My uncle and Dash came to visit us on Monday. My uncle, for uncle, the opposite gender is auntie. A-U-N-T-Y, auntie. And then next one is the lion and Dash looked lovingly at their cub. Lion, opposite gender is lioness. You have to write here. And the next one is the king and Dash sat on beautiful thrones. King, the opposite gender of king is queen. Your answer right here. And the next one is the man is running and the Dash is walking. Man, opposite gender is woman. Got it, children? Already you have to learn these gender in EVS, right? And the last one is my grandfather and Dash went to the market. Grandfather opposite gender is grandmother, right? Write your answer in this one. Okay, then come to the next page, children. Fun time. Let's play bingo. Write any 9 words from the given list in the boxes. Put only one word in the box. Here some words are given. You have to select some words and write each one box. You have to write one word. Okay, and the teacher will call out any 6 words. The teacher will call any 6 words. If you write that words in the box, you have to put cross. Okay, put cross on it. The one who crosses out all the words first shouts bingo, and that is a winner. If who is strike out all the words first, that is a winner. Okay, likewise you have to play this game in your family members brothers and your friends, and you have to enjoy. Okay, children? Then come to the next page. If what way are these musical instruments different from each other? Put them into 3 groups based on how they are played. Okay. Here so many instruments are given. No, you have to separate the musical instruments apart from their playing. Okay. First one is tabla, sitar, flute, tafali, guitar, iktara, shanai, violin and dolak is given. You have to separate this instruments and write these 3 rounds. Okay, children? First one is what given? Instruments that you play with your fingers. You have to find out which instruments you have to play in the fingers. First one is tabla. Tabla is playing using our fingers. So you can write tabla in that one. And the next one is tafali. This also we have to play using our fingers, right? And the next one is dolak. This also you have to using your fingers for playing. Okay, so these 3 you have to write in the first round. Okay, tabla, dolak and then tafali, right? T-F-L-I, tafali. These are instruments that we can play with our fingers. So you can write these 3 in the first round. Okay, then see the next one, string instruments. We can find out instruments what we have to play using the strings. Okay, sitar, this is a string instrument, and then guitar, this is also a string instrument, and violin, this is also a string instrument, and iktara, this is also having a string. No, so these 4 are string instruments. You can write these 4 in the second round, children. Here first one is sitar and the next one is guitar. Sitar, guitar and then violin and then iktara, right? Okay, and the third one, instruments that you blow into. If you are blowing, you get music, means that is a blowing instrument. Here two are blow instrument, that is flute and shanai. You have to write in the last box. Okay, F-L-U-T-E, flute, shanai, S-H-E-H-N-A-I. Here you have to fill this page. Okay, then come to the next page. This is the picture of a musical instrument called as jaltarang. Okay, jaltarang is a 2 words. The word jaltarang is made up of 2 words. Jal means water, tarang means music. That is water music. Okay, here one activity is given for you. Get 6 to 10 bowls of the same size and shape. You can take some bowls with same shape and size. Okay, children, pour water into the bowls. Keep the water at different levels. You can pour water on all the bowls, but in a different levels. Use 2 pencils and strike the rim of the bowls to make musical sounds. You can use pencils to make a music. Okay, it is your activity, children. You can do it in your home and enjoy. Okay, children. Then come to the next one. Now make new words by joining the 2 words. One has been done for you. Here 2 bowls are given. Here some words are there. You can join the words and you can write here. Okay. First one is news plus paper, newspaper. Here one is done for you. And the next one is school plus bag, school bag. You can connect these 2 words and make one word. Okay. And the next one is tooth plus paste, toothpaste. Here you have to write. And neck plus lace, necklace. Here you have to write. And sum plus one, someone. S-O-M-E-O-N-E. You can connect these 2 words, make one word. Okay. And the next one is bath plus room, bathroom. Here you have to write. Time plus table, timetable. Here you have to write. Food plus ball, football. Here you have to write. Car plus pet, carpet. Here you have to write. Okay, children. Then come to the next page. This is your writing practice, children. Get up early in the morning. You can write in the dots and you can finish it fully. Okay, children. You can trace this all. Okay. This is your writing practice. You can utilize this page. Okay, children. Okay. Okay, today's homework is complete page number 132 to 139. Okay, children. Thank you. I hope you all enjoy this session. You can complete all these pages. Okay, children.